all around my home. This is the chapter of today's. We will discuss and learn this chapter. What were things we learn from this chapter? That places are available in our neighborhood. What are the places we can notice around us? Keep the neighborhood clean. How we will able to keep our neighborhood clean. Now let's understand what is the neighborhood first. A neighborhood is the area around our house. So around our house, whatever is present, anyone's home, any market, any road, any field, any park, everything is included our neighborhood. People who live next to our house are called neighbors. So the people who lives in our opposite house or in our area, they called our neighbors. We should be polite to our neighbors. We should behave politely with our neighbors. We should help them each other when needed. Whenever there is a need, we should help all the neighbors. Now, places in neighborhood. What are the important places which are useful for us, which is present in our neighborhood? Let's learn that. First, market. This is the market. A neighborhood market is usually a small market. Mostly the market which is near to our house, that's a smaller than the other markets. There are shops in neighborhoods. Like what are the shops are present? Like fruit shops, vegetable shops, or the grocery shops where we can buy bread and butter and other kinds of foods. And we can also buy lots of things in a market. See, there is a picture of a market given in here. You will ask your parents that in your neighborhood definitely there will be a market where your father or mother always go for shopping. Next is the clinic and hospital. What is a clinic and hospital? A clinic and hospital is a place when we fall as sick, we go to the doctor. And where these doctors are? They actually we can find them in clinic and hospitals. Doctors and nurses work in clinic and hospitals. What do the doctor? The doctors examine us and gives us some medicine which will help us to get better. Whenever we fall sick, we go to the doctors. Nurses also look after when we are ill or sick or any injured person. So this is a picture of hospitals. This is also in our neighborhood. Next is bank. We keep all the valuable things, important documents, jewelry, money in our banks. Valuable things that are very important. Okay? And our money and valuable things always stay safe in our bank. There is no problem in the bank. Okay? Post office. At the post office, we can buy stamps. So, what is a post office? In post office, we can drop some letters or parcel and the post office will deliver the letters or the parcel to the written address correctly. At the post office, we can buy stamps, postcards, envelope. And we can send letters to our relative friends living in different places. Suppose you want to send a letter to your grandma or your friend who is living in another city. So you will write a letter, buy an envelope, stick a stamp and write some address like a Jalpaiguri or anywhere, Kolkata, whatever the address they are living, that full address. And if you drop that letter in that post box, the red color box, they will collect the letter and send it to the address. Now the next is fire station. Fire station is what? If any area catch fire, suppose when a fire breaks out in any neighborhood, we call whom? The fire station. Fire station have a fire car. Okay, with that car is known as fire engines. These fire engines have some firefighters. These are some men who helps the people and the area to stop the fire. These are known as firefighters. They come to the fire station to put the fire out. So this is a fire station, this is a fire engine and this is a firefighter. Now police station. You all know police. What are the police? They helps us to catch the bad people. It's very important to us know that the nearest police station. Where is our police station? Whenever we in a problem or in a huge problem, we can go to the police station. Something lost or if we lost our address too. The police help us in keeping our neighborhood safe. They protect us from whom? Thieves and robbers. And they also manage the traffic, the road traffic. They also help us to manage that. Okay, this is a police station and people who are working here called police. Police officers. Park. Next, the park. We all go to the park to play there. So we go to the park to what? Play. The park has what? Swings, seesaws, merry-go-round, slides and climbing frames. For what? For every children to play there. The parks also has lots of beautiful flowers, different shaped plants, everything is there. We get fresh air in the park. Now we learn that we have a lots of things in our neighborhood, fire station, hospital, police officer, park. But how we can keep clean our neighborhood? Because keeping clean and garbage free neighborhood is always important. So we must keep our neighborhood clean and green. How we will do it? We should never throw garbage on the road. We never should throw the garbage on the road. We should always put garbage in dustbin. Like this dustbin, we will put the garbage, any papers, any wrappers of chocolates or cookies, we will drop it here, not anywhere else. We should plant trees because these trees will give us fresh air, and we should create awareness of what? Awareness of keeping our neighborhood area clean. So these are some important word meanings. Please learn this too. Valuable, post box and garbage. Okay, valuable means important things. Post box meaning a box where we can drop some letter for the post office, and garbage that is not useful for us, that is we no longer use. Okay, so this is the chapter. And please, if you understand this chapter, all around my home. Okay, thank you.